Huh? What? Oh. What? Right click? Huh. Can't I zoom? Okay. 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 Or right click is also something. Oh, here. Unbrace blast. Fire your weapon and launch yourself backward. Reload buckshot. Swing your item or fist. What is that? Okay. Okay, I have the weapon at least. Okay, that's nice. Repair all. Now, let's see. Let me equivalent. Let me do equivalent. Nice. Okay, I definitely need one more storage. I have... What do I want? Plant fiber 10? Why is it not adding automatically from this? Okay. Oh yes, I should be gathering these with the help of a sickle, right? Okay, I forgot. Nice. Okay, now let me just save all of these over here. Oh, not this. Okay, and let me take this. Save that. Nice. Okay, let all of that be over there. It's good. I need the climbing pick for sure. Sickle, I'm not sure if I need it, but so let me take this. Let me take this. Let's go here, add fuel, ignite. Okay. What? Okay, so now let me make my way to the portal. Back again. Yeah. Wait, what is this called by the way? Simple scatter shot. Right. Let's see if I can craft this. Crude gunpowder. No. No. Okay, I can't craft this. Oh, I can. I can. I can. Okay. Oh, I need crude gunpowder for that. Fill. Simple scattershot. I can also make the blunderbuss. Nice. Okay. Do I want to wait for that? It's 10 minutes though. No, I'm heading over there. I'm not waiting that long. Also, I should also explore this place. What is that, by the way? But for now, I will go through here. I assume the cards still exist in here and I can just open it. Yeah. So it takes a while for it to open. Whoa, oh my. I was getting so confused as to why is it not opening. Maybe it's bugged or something, but it just takes a very long time to open. Okay. There's a lot of loading screens, lots of like loading that happens in this game. Hello Estelle, do you have anything? No. You know, if it takes that long to open a portal, that should be the loading, right? Like, why does it take me to another loading after that? I don't understand. Like, it takes so long to open a portal, then I assume that that's the loading screen that's happening. So, sure. But then I go in and then it starts another loading screen. Fae Tower is where he wants me to go, right? So let me just go there. Even those things are very fast. That's the Fae Tower. Okay. Oh, nice. Ooh, what is this? Okay, let me... Really? What? Oh, also, where is Estelle? But that's the damage I'm doing with this. Finally, she is here. Really? Oh. Okay. That thing is down. Dude. I think the big one is spawning the little ones. What do you want?
You have brought this creature its death, but wonder you how such a beast was born. The influence of the lesser Fae is ne'er seen more strongly than in them. Much like yourself, these curiosities found themselves enmeshed in magical workings they could not fathom. The question you must ask when next you hunt a fabled one is this. Are you putting this creature out of its
Destroying something
misery?
singular. Okay. Next. Finally. Fabled hide, fabled bone, fabled meat. Nice. Okay, so let's see the map. Okay, so that icon is gone. The boss icon is gone now. That's nice. Fabled bone. Fabled hide. Fabled meat. Yeah, I'm getting better stuff. Nice, nice, nice. I need to cross this river. Or ravine. Okay, you can you not climb this with your pick? Really? Yeah. Look at the night. Look at the sky. What is this? It's as if the reality is broken or something. That's awesome. Oh, wolves. I don't want to fight them. Really? You just want to die, huh? This thing wanted to die. Like, I wanted to dodge these guys, but they just wanted to die. Yeah. Hello, Mr. Trader. Essence Trader. Let's see, what do you have? Watering cans. Rapper's outfit. Blunderbuss. Charms. Infusions. Cooking tech. Resources. Plant box. Modest singular bed. Yeah. Lighting. Shelving augmentations. Okay. Crafting benches. Upgrade bench. Oh, I need that. I need the upgrade bench. Can I get that? Oh, I can get that. Okay, bye. Okay. Refined mortar. I just need couple more tier 2. Okay. So I can make the refined bench now. Nice. Where is that? Not upgrade bench. Nice. Okay, now let's see. Let me go into this Fae Tower. How is my... Okay, I'm not tired at all, so I can definitely take this down, I assume. Wait. Oh, I can't take it down just yet. I need to find these. Upon exiting the Fae portal, I met the Realmwalker. He seemed quite unmoved. However, he believes his colleague. Before he'll give me her whereabouts, he asks if I can complete artifact of great value. Okay, so this is the Fae ruins, right? Which is this one, Fae Tower. Okay. Oh. Hmm. Estelle, I need you. Oh my god, that missed. This guy. Bro, okay. I'm wasting all the ammo. Okay. What? What? How did I lose all my health? How? Okay, so those things are traps. What about you? Yeah. Man, I'm so low health. Do I want to do this? How much ammo do I have? 14. Wait, what? Okay, how is she taking damage? Oh, I need to go in there. Okay. Okay, I don't even know if I'm going in the right direction. I am going in right direction. Okay. Uh, you teleport to me, Estelle. I can't really guide you through this maze. What? I did not get on top of that. Wait, can I just climb this? No. Oh, come on. How are you supposed to get out of that? Okay. Oh, nice. Oh. Okay. Oh, Estelle, Estelle, Estelle. Oh, these guys, I can take them down. Okay. Nice. Open menu. Oh, nice. Synchronous load. Wait, what is that sound? Oh my god, it was you? Oh, come on, I should have read that. Okay, what is that? Magic pulses from this jewel trinket, a shimmer below its surface, making it no simple bauble. Its mysterious Fae origin to... Okay. Guidebook? Codex. Okay, what do you have?
This intrepid fleshling, claiming bounty from atop the long-forgotten obelisks of fairer folk. Yet hast thou any inkling of what thou holdest cupped in mortal midst?
I have actually no idea.
The synchronous lotus is no simple bauble, but a potent Fae bijou, filled to bursting with a mere sliver of the realm's magic. It is the scavenged foundation upon which your kind so often builds their fanciful toys. Forget not that it was we who bestowed magic unto man. Without such generosity, what might the children of Earth have been reduced to? Though, even with my kin absent, there is great danger in plucking our pelf, while foregoing reciprocity. What luck we two are friends, that I may beteem this boon unto you. And since you now possess the means to power it, I have another gift to grant. One more of Robin's favors parceled. The means to construct a portal of one's own. In eons past, portals were notoriously taxing and toilsome for humans to conceive and maintain. However, in the turmoil following the calamity, I chanced upon a newfangled arch design that dares to make elementary what was once unattainable. You need only seek the materials required to raise this crude apparatus and place the lotus therein. Erecting it will create a contract with this realm's spirits to tame the interrealmic lacuna. Use it well, Realmwalker, that you may yet catch the flown Nightingale.
Wait, I can make my own portal? Crude portal. Oh my god. Okay, but it does need a synchronous lotus though, so it's not like I can make as many as I want, but one of these near my base will be awesome. Yeah. Is there anything else that I'm missing before I do that? I don't think so. Why do I need to do that? Apply a charm to your equipment, talk to Aurelio. Oh my god, what is this? A still of intellect. Defense. Okay, so if you get to the tower, you can actually see all the waypoints. Okay. A portal. Infestation. Really? Oh, there are multiple Fae portals. Okay, I came from here. Okay. Nice, nice. Okay, these things are very useful, like these sorts of waypoints. Okay, so you need to get to the tower to get this. Minor. What is this? Oh, it lowers my damage resistance, but I hope instead of reading this like paragraph, right, there is just the what is that? Chance to find rare gem up by so many %, or just an up arrow mark with damage resistance lowered, something like that. Just a simple wording. Like I don't want to read these. Speed of crop growth. I don't want to apply anything, actually.